Hello there, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the Twitch application to your Android TV even if you don't have Google Play Store app. This is very easy. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So to do that, we're going to come over to our browser because I don't have the Google Play Store. So I'll go over to my browser, and in my browser I'm going to go ahead and type in the name application I want, which in this case is a Twitch app. Now I'm not going to take a lot of time typing because I already have in my result page. I'm going to go over here and click on the option. Now once you search on your browser, this works on any browser. You're going to see something like this, and you can see this is the application we're looking for here. This is a Twitch application, and this is the version of it that shows on the web version of Google Play Store. And yes, you can go ahead and download and install to your Android TV if it's an Android TV. So I repeat, this only works on an Android TV. You can go over here and install. If your TV is an Android TV, it's going to work. But if it's not, or for some reason this option doesn't work, you can scroll down a little bit and you're going to see other options to install the application, like up to down and so on. So you can come over to an option like this and install the application from here, and it's going to download and install to your Android TV. But for me, this is just a second option. The best option is using the web version of Google Play Store to install the application, like I just showed you. So what you have to do, just come over to this option here, click on download, and the application is going to be downloaded to your Android TV. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more important videos like this.